Hi, welcome to Core Collapse, a modular destruction asset for Unity. In this video, I'll show you how to implement structures that can collapse by using pre-fragmented prefabs for the collapse structure, as well as procedural destruction using EC Slice. To create your own structures, you just have to bring in the prefabs. And you can mix both. You can use prefragged as well as procedural destructions, it doesn't matter. You're not bound to any grid, you can do this as you please. And the modular parts can have their own dimension, size, and shape. As long as the collators are touching, then you can run the calculate support, and this will calculate which parts are supporting this structure. Now remember, this was created with pre-fragmented parts. As you can see, everything seems to be working. As I mentioned before, you can mix. You can use procedural parts as well as pre-fragmented parts. We run again, calculate supports. It identified this as its supports, and we also have to calculate supports for the walls, right, which are supported by the floor tile below it. Now we click play, and let's test. As you can see, it shatters, leaving this standing because its support is already standing. But as soon as we destroy one of these, the entire thing collapses. Thank you for downloading Core Collapse, and I hope you have fun using this. Goodbye.